This is a remote dog training and auto anti-bark collar. So in this video, I'm going to do unboxing and let's do some test. It comes with the full color menu. Here's a little card that tells you they have to be charged by 5 volts charge only. And here show you how to wear a collar. This is the remote. And this is the collar. The build quality of the collar is great. This is hard plastic and here's two probe. And very good quality. You can adjust the length and easy to install, easy to take off. And let's open it. So first thing you need to do is just pair them. You can use one remote to connect to 2 collars. So you press A or B, and now I press A. You see here, this is A-B button, and here is a button. You press it, and you long press it. Yeah, it will vibrate, and you press. You see, it's kind of vibrating. Now it's pairing. And for using it, it's super easy that they got 3 functions. First one is vibrating. I press. You see that? I can feel that vibrating is pretty strong, and you can adjust the level of vibrating. And I put it to 1. Not very strong. I put it to 8. It's like super strong. It can reach 1300 feet or 440 yards or 400 meters. So your dog can run pretty long and still can receive the signal. And now what I'm gonna test is the beep. Like this. For this one, you can do the testing. You see right here, it's flashing. But I still want to see if it's actually shock on my hand, how strong it is. And let's do this. Oh, still pretty strong. And I'd say that just that if there's no danger to your pet, just don't use it. But like I said, if it's dangerous for it, you have to use it because it's the level now is 2. I can still feel like it's gonna like shock. It's really shock. So I tested. I just don't want it to test too much, but you know that it works. All right. So I think they got several uses. The first one is that you can train a dog to come back, right? And for another one is that if you do hunting, you can give your dog signal to turn left or right without you yelling, right? If you do kind of like this vibrating go left or the sound go right, so your dog know what's going on. And this is the cable. You see right here. This is magnetic. And you can do the charging right here. It's pretty easy. And they give you 2 ports. So in my opinion, that if you got a dog you want to train, and even for the dog's safety, I think this is a very good tool to use. And hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.